is not going. But you don't have the motivation to continue going. Think about good morning, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. West. Thank you.
Require a test submit before 8, and then we have to be in class at 8. It's giving abusive school vibes. I cannot believe my eyes. Is this the life we're going to live forever? And it's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining. Class, me, miss me. Miss me with it. Miss me with that. Now I'm not going to class. What this rain? Open the floodgates of heaven. We're only going to class at 8:22, and my classmates are here, by the way. You can see their cars.
One eternity later.
Guys, I'm outside. It's probably has been like 365 days and 77 nights since I've talked to you guys. Don't mind this hair thing. I plotted my own hair and now my hair is like, I feel like there's so much noise here. Probably I had to go borrow someone's phone to vlog because mine is not working. I don't know why. It literally feels violent. Do you guys even hear me? I should have taken headsets, but you know what, a lot is going on, you guys. I feel like this is life lately. I am writing my first exam tomorrow and nothing is registering. Like, I don't know why. I don't understand anything. I really have like my notes right here, but I don't know. Like, and having a roommate who does the same courses you is exciting, but at the same time, when they start showing, like, asking me questions, and you're just like, damn, like, you know that and I don't. There's too much air right here. I feel like you guys are not even hearing me. I'm waiting for Abigail. She went to buy food. And yeah, I'm literally just sitting here trying to study all these things because I don't know what's going on, you guys. Like, hey, this material is not a lot. I mean, I feel like PIL is not, like, okay, to be quite honest, I don't know if you guys hear me, but anyway, to be quite honest, public international law is not that hard. Like, I'm just being real. It's not that hard. You just need to understand, right? But I don't know why I'm not understanding any of these things that I'm reading. I look so weird, but anyway, I did my own hair. I keep changing things like, oh my god, the ADHD is just doing things. Someone is coming my way, so bye.
It can be sold. Or if you're not holding it in the personal and private. Or the land rights.
know school is going to be the end of us.
What is what?
Like a vlog up. Get thoughts and stress. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Miguel, remind me how to vlog. How did I do this today?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, my name is Precious Omphithetse, and Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys know already, my name is Precious Omphithetse. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I don't know what you're waiting for.
Hey, Abigail, I have subscribers from the United States of America, so you must speak English.
If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today's topic, I realized that people like the vlogs more than the sit-in vlogs. But anyway, I'm gonna rant anyway. So today I'm gonna talk about the fruits that I don't like. I don't know why you don't like bananas. Your taste buds are fucked up.
That is not me. I look so pretty. My skin is dry again. I have to go shower, get sad. Because what is this dryness and this breakouts? Hey guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Omphithetse. Wow. Beginning up. So
Make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button
If you already haven't.
Then what?
I don't know, girl. It's your thing. It's not my thing. Mutali depressed don't say I do this daily.
When think about that, I really know that. I think about it.
John section 9.
Nikibala Proverbs. Nikibala Hoti Tikinan. Me, it was saying what had this smile this year, that means moto sadness creeps in. I just smile here, how sadness creeps in. No, I get I'm told to last smell
Good. Hello, how
everybody.
But I give up a little message.
Ivy American.
Oh, English,
and
okay.
Ugandans and
When it's not going, but you don't have the motivation to continue going. Think about good morning, Mr. West. Thank you.
Mr. West.
You'll move. After listening to Mr. West, you'll move.
The problem is nothing is entering, everything is leaving. So what must happen? Even the song Mr. West is leaving.
Mr. West is not
anymore.
make sure.
It's not make sure.
It's not make sure.
It's not recognition. Hey, what is state recognition? It's not recognition. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you guys when I find another device to vlog. Right now, it's a goodbye for me and Abigail. We're gonna see you guys in 2053, when you guys decide to buy me a camera, right? She's gonna buy me a camera. Are you gonna buy me a camera? She's gonna buy me a camera as a Christmas gift, and then we're gonna be vloggers. It's a chicken salad. No tsoga kana no robala. No tota itse a kutela ile se se ke se balang ngwana bom. Ha ke itse gore ka gore ke lekile gore ke a tshwara. Nothing is entering. Kuri everything is just leaving. I've been trying. They are lawyering me and stuff. Cause what the fuck is going on? God. Jesus, Father, help me. Nothing in my brain is saying that I'm writing tomorrow. Literally nothing. Nothing. It's not registering.
One eternity later.
I don't want to record. Hey guys. You got to my phone.
I think I got 4 person.
Hey guys. The song is
I have
international subscribers and people that can hear that name. What the hell are you saying? Hey guys, not having a device is a problem because now Bantu but isn't as important. Is yo. I nearly said is motor zab. Incingo wakhe ufuna ukusebenzisa guys. So nama ngazi ukuthi ngithini ngitsheleni ngithi kare ke a rap.
Ya do gore ke la stand se se.
Und kera stand.
Sina le home. Sina le home.
Microphone. Ya no tonte kera stand. Kenzi ke sina mo go recorda. Do bonte ke phone. O do bonte ke phone.
Or ga phone no ska ba stand. Nata stand sa ta ke tshoro se perfect for la connect le phone ya tole.
Tole ka pele go shopo ka phone na.
Go za ga borone za go.
A re ke ra gona re tole.
Tsa go station ga to le.
G station. A re nna ka re ka to.
I can show ke G station.
G station. Ka itse ruwa ka eng. Ne ba posted unless go posted ba ga ga.
Post ka teng go ne go go Facebook. A te tsuna ro 250 kana go.
No, ya no ntega. Ya no birthday present time on there. Ke a ditse rona birthday present go re ke.
Yummy. Wa itopela.
What day?
Wa itopela.
I want to know what day or ke go re ke ba so se bata.
Wa itopela ya go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, right? It's been a while, but anyway, today is the 20. Wait, let me check the date and I'll be. Okay, so today is the 27th of December, 2022. I've been away for a long time. Hey, I'm actually here to close off this vlog that you guys have been watching. It's I think only recorded for like 3 days or something like that, and then I stopped. So basically, here's what happened, right? Okay, don't mind my hair, guys. It's a lot is going on. Anyway, so what happened is on the 31st of October, that was the day I last recorded a video, which was the last video of Vlogtober. I recorded it and then I posted it, and then on the same day my phone died. So I'll show you guys a clip of my phone somewhere here, but my phone died and it didn't like want to work at all, and I was just like, you know what, it is what it is, I guess. So I lost my phone from the 31st of October, and then
the videos that I've been recording actually from Abigail's phone. So I haven't had a phone for like 2 months now. Yeah, and then so nothing really happened like that November. I wrote exams, finished the exams. I actually passed the exam that I was talking about on that one of the clips. I actually passed the exam. And then yeah, in December I went for a camp like I always do every year. I went for a camp and we were at Maremi Gorge. I have the clips, it's just that I'm still waiting for guys Gimo Mukhai, so don't mind these things. But anyway, we went to Maremi Gorge. I have the clips from Abigail's phone. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to access them because I'm going to try to access them tonight or today because I will have to subscribe for Wi-Fi and then try log into iCloud or do whatever. But yeah, if I manage, guys, I'm sorry if the noise is just a lot, but anyway, if I manage to access her iCloud, I'll be able to get the footage and then be able to, I think, edit the vlogs and then post them. So in the next few days until the 31st, I'll be bombarding you guys with vlogs from Maremi, and then this vlog, and then there's a video that I recorded with Tamani. I was editing it earlier today. I edited it. I only got access to my laptop yesterday, and then I started editing most of those videos. Anyway, most of those videos today. So yeah, I edited the Tamani video, I edited the vlog, this vlog, and then I have to get footage from Abigail's phone and then edit it for the Maremi videos. So yeah, I haven't changed at all. I still look the same. Nothing is changing. My hair still looks something else every day. That's nothing new. And then yeah, I don't have a phone, I don't have a device. I don't know when I'm going to have one. So at the moment we're just gonna pray to God and ask him to get us another device, whether it's a phone or a camera, whatever it is. But for now I'm just using my little brother's phone to record this little clip. Him and I are going to be separated for a while, so I'm not going to be able to vlog at all because he's taking a swing and shit. But yeah, besides that, thank you guys so much for increasing my subscriber count. We are at the last time I checked was 172. I'm forever grateful. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And yeah, bro, literally I think people are pausing and just watching me talk to the camera alone and just like, oh my god, what's going on, what is she doing? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This video has been boring and stuff, but that's my life lately. Life hasn't really been fun. The only thing I did was go to Maremi. That's the only fun part. But I was camping. Some stuff happened at Maremi. I think if I'm able to do voiceovers, I will do voiceovers and tell you guys like shit did happen. Like some things were said that were hurtful, but I was just like, it is what it is, let's just move on. I think that comes along with being in a camp with a lot of people. Like you get challenged in different ways. But anyway, that's besides the point. I had fun though. I did have fun. I'm not even gonna sit here and be like, oh my god, I had fun. It was amazing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video this far. If you're actually at this point, I'm grateful for you and I. But this dog, do you see me? I think it's not laughing. Okay, turn. I wanna go. It is so dark. I'm literally the only one on the street, and imagine if they steal me and things. Ooh, son. I can't afford the chicken. I can't afford the chicken. I wanna cry because school is the pit, son. Yes. That's for them place. Bane ba lla ba re ditšhafaetse ke madi e. Ke na le lona. Nya wena ha ona le rona. Wow. Guys, think about what's a man who's old enough to be my father just asked for my number. I was too nervous. My anxiety was getting the better of me. So I gave it to him because you know what? Twice, guess son. That's my twice.